Hi everyone, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Candy Wow, and we are going to be talking about real ioctane and conscience. As you guys know, they have been having a long-standing argument or feud, back and forth exchange on social media about Conscience blows, so-called blows that he wore other day, and Conscience went back and forth with ioctane about his tight pants. Well, the story have come to bump, and well, ioctane said some things, and honestly, them things ain't alright. But let's get into the story. So Conscience put up, poor chef at it again. Watch the dog a sacrifice banks, Jaja. And he had laughy face emoji and then a frown face emoji, and you guys will see that on the screen now. I swear at this they run JA it a boss soon still. I just live. All blanks live in a me DM with beer this tag. Me swear I did a bad DJ. I guess watchman and hating no really work with real people where you can buy out and chat out, bro. God, focus your energy on trying to sing song for this a man we always out in the world busy a lift dancehall, and him not even a go need fi this your back. Then them send me the video and cut off the part where my DJ run out and sing every man all if the place a go on like place never live. Style them a try palm me DJ at Ross in a tight pants and tight shirt with him hat turned back way. I watch a man nose and judge it. Where the fire gone, look how him call blanks and I kill him with touch up for the rest of the show. LOL at this straight man dem ya. Me I go delete soon when me flight land at Amsterdam. So that is what Conscience put up on Instagram, and ioctane actually performed at Spice's birthday bash, and that was his comment. So in the say how ioctane feel up a man and then a tight pants and tight shirt, and he has a lot of emoji and stuff, so obviously he was playing. And then the real ioctane went underneath Tropic's page and said, no youth, fear talk about sacrifice star. When you sacrifice a brother, R.I.P. Delos. A lucky thing you did cut off the waist man where I wear blows Darius music. Cause are you him would have sacrificed next. But you're wise. Youth, you think you would have get a big contract by now and run the world out of dancehall or reggae market, but Illuminati fool you big time. So waste your sacrifice. Jano, Delos, and the next thing, me no wear tight pants, you me wear VC, very close. Plus me still a ask badman, no bore nose. At Conscience at Banks artist, you have to boss and me know say sacrifice me at Tropics hold that. Who not like the truth go dead. And then Conscience replied by saying these exchanges between me and ioctane in my eyes was just a fun vibe between peers. When him said things I laugh and expected him would I just laugh when me say things because me not make up stories or say nothing personal. But apparently me alone did a laugh and him did take everything personal with real hatred behind it. To the point where my brother that passed away name get mentioned. I told fans this was all fun and I would not let it get out of hand. So this is me stopping it from getting out of hand. Me gone back over my section and low fun and laughing thing with people. I recommend and advise and appeal to Uno fi do the same in regards to me. Blessings to Uno and our family and Uno career. Please send this to every blog page. And then real ioctane comment underneath, all is fear in love and war. Next thing, what is joke to you is dead to a next man. Next thing, don't trouble. Next thing, who don't like what me say can fuck off. Who born knows man a diss me and I say me sacrifice banks did whole I on a day laugh. So why the Ross and they cry now? Youth stop trouble people on the net and them come act like you're innocent and I look sympathy. Kiss me fucking teeth. I care zero. Conscience and traffic. So hold that again. And that is what he had to say. Honestly, I know ioctane on a real level, never met him, but I know him through family, friends, and me know say he's nothing what he sings about. So I'm not surprised. A lot of people are saying that they're surprised and they are disgusted and they expected better from him. I'm not surprised at all because I know of him on a personal level and he is nothing like he sings about. But anyways, I feel like the whole mentioning Conscience brother thing was a bit too far. Obviously, Conscience was playing because he was using a lot of emoji and stuff, and he took it way too far. If you guys don't remember, that Conscience brother actually killed himself, and it was alleged over a woman that gave him an HIV. Anyways, let's get into the next topic. So after I did a video recently of Spice and Candy on stage at Spice's birthday bash, it comes out that Candy gets a new manager, and it says, according to Cameron, the decision to disassociate himself from Candy happened earlier this week after she accused him of withholding money that he allegedly had received as payment from Spice for making a cameo appearance at her birthday party. He told the star that he did not receive any payment as Spice was merely doing him and Candy a huge favor. Spice thing wasn't a paid thing. I was so grateful when she allowed us the opportunity for Candy to perform at her birthday party on Monday so she could get exposure. I cannot thank the artist enough for giving her such a stage to show her talent. After the show, we got her something to eat and sent her home on a cab. The next day, her mom called me to tell me that they can't find Candy again. Afterwards, Candy told me that she was in St. Anne and a bag of other places. Cameron said he told her that he wanted her to make appearances at Bossy Tuesday and the Grand Gala, after which Candy asked if he had received payment for the events and that she refused to show up without payment. I told her that those are not events that she will get paid. She then hung her phone up, and afterwards I was locked out of her Instagram page. Next thing I know, she was in a video with about 100 men behind her smoking and drinking and her head wrapped with kerchief, he said. Cameron called Candy unstable. I have spent the past 2 or 3 weeks with her and I have spent my money, my time assisting her the best way I know how, but there is just too much lies and confusion, and that is what I am stepping away from, Cameron said. Candy confirmed with the star that her boyfriend Jason Williams was now responsible for her bookings. Everything did good at Marco Polo because him give me a money and give me mother too. But me feel him collect money as Spice thing and don't give me. See, when me go foreign, me don't want kid or my mother go with me. It's my boyfriend and my father me want go, she said. Williams was quite ecstatic that he would be the person handling her business affairs. And me people are go call for bookings now. Me car park up in the front yard, so if she have a show, me can drive her go there. Yeah, man, she in a good hands now, Williams said. Quite frankly, I know that if Kiddo was lying about the Spice gig, he wouldn't have went to the star and said he didn't get any money from Spice. Because Spice is not a woman that hold anything. Spice will refute that if she actually paid Candy. And Spice don't like mix up and don't like her name mentioned in foolishness. So if he was lying, he wouldn't have went into the paper that all go everywhere and everybody else see it about that. Quite frankly, did not think Candy or Mackerel needed managers because all them need is a phone and bookings and where they should be at what time and how much them are going to get paid, honestly. But everybody do them thing them own way, And big ups to Candy. I hope that she's in good hands, as her boyfriend says. What do you guys think about the whole situation with ioctane and Conscience? Do you think that ioctane went too far, mentioning Conscience dead brother? Do you think that Conscience was truly playing? Because you can see how he worded his conversations, or his clapbacks, I would say. Do you think that ioctane just catch feelings? What are your thoughts on that? And do you think that Candy is in good hands now that Kiddo is no longer managing her? Her boyfriend is. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.